Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can create this waveform green screen overlay on CapCut PC. Well, template. So I'm just going to use this green screen and I'll just freeze frame that, and I'm just going to make it like longer like this. Maybe a little bit longer actually. So I'm going to select the mask, go to rectangle. I actually just can screenshot it. I forgot I could do that. Make it into the shape, and I'm just going to make the edges rounded. Copy and paste that and make the second one like either smaller, like shorter, or taller. And then you're just going to kind of that is really like on the edge. I think I've made it a little bit too wide. So let me just revamp this a little bit. Like so. I think the spaces in between isn't like a lot. Like isn't like wide enough. Just gonna move it there, it's fine. It is quite tedious, like I must say, but you're just going to keep going until you're pleased with everything. I'm just going to select these and I'm just going to place it in the middle a little bit, like that. I don't know if the corners are rounded enough for these, so let me just round it out a little bit more. I wish you could like just do it all at once, but like you can't. So I just have to deal with that. Okay. So you can either like save it as a compound clip or just export still frame. Make sure you've exported it, imported it in your media. Overlay it on top of any videos that you like, basically. Make sure you also adjust the duration of it. Select the overlay, go to blend mode. Oh, actually remove background first. Go to the chroma key section. Select the green area and you can adjust the intensity, but I think that's enough. And you can even like blend mode it if you'd like to have like this a little bit seen, but I just like it plain. So yeah, that is it. Hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.